Hi there. In this video, we're going to learn how to add linear expressions. First, you need to know what a linear expression is. A linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the variable is raised to the first power. So, in other words, if you have, let's say, 5 plus 2x, it's just 5 plus 2x. It's not 5 plus 2x squared. It's 5 plus 2x, okay? So basically anything that has an x in it to the first power, this is the way that you're going to add the expressions. All right, so the first way that you can do it is through modeling. So I'm going to show you that now. We have 3x plus 4 plus 2x plus 1. First, you're going to model each linear expression. So you're going to write out or draw out 3 x's and 4 ones, right? 3 x's, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I already have this drawn out. You can do this on a piece of paper if you just draw rectangles and squares and you put x's and ones in them. All right, so next we're going to do the same thing for this. So we're going to have 2 x's and 1, 1. Okay, and then we are going to combine the tiles that have the same shape. So all my x's are going to go here, and all my ones are going to go here. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, right? Because I have 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, because 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So your final expression would be 5x plus 5. All right, so 3x plus 2x is 5x, 4 plus 1 is 5. Here's how you would do it algebraically. This is not how you would do it with models. So if you don't want to sit there and draw out x's and ones, this is how you would do it. So you have 3x plus 4 plus 2x plus 1. Line them up so that this is on top. You have this plus sign to the left over here. Very important. And then you have this whole second expression, this 2x plus 1. And then you just, you just follow it down. So you do 3x plus 2x to get 5x. And then you do 4 plus 1 to get 5. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 4 plus 1 is 5. All right. Here's another one with the modeling. This time we threw in a negative x over here. So we have add 3x plus 2 plus negative x plus 4. So first we're going to model. We're going to draw out 3 x's and 2 ones. And then on this side, we're going to draw out 1 negative x and 4 ones. Okay, so then I'm going to group them with the same shape. I have all my x's here, my 3 greens and my 1 red. And I'm going to group my yellow tiles, my ones, over here to the right. So then it says remove any 0 pairs. So I have this 0 pair right here, this green and the red. So I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm left with 2 x's, right? 2 x's. And then I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So my final expression would be 2x plus 6. All right, here's our next example. We have negative 4x plus 2 plus negative 2x plus 2. So I'm going to arrange them in columns. So you need to be very careful when you write this down. Make sure you don't get like make sure you don't mix up like your negatives. Make sure you don't forget any. On paper, I like to make this plus sign really big so that I can differentiate between pluses and negatives. So first I align them, 4x plus 2 plus negative 2x plus 2, and then I just add negative 4x plus negative 2x gets me negative 6x. 2 plus 2 gets me 4. So I have negative 6x plus 4 as my final answer. You could also find perimeter using linear models. So here's an example of that. The lengths of the side of golden rectangles are in the ratio 1 to 1.62. So the length of a golden rectangle is approximately 1.62 times bigger than the width. So this here is 1.62 times the size of this. So write and simplify a linear expression for the perimeter of a golden rectangle. So first thing that we need to know is that a perimeter just means you add all the outside, right? Instead of adding all the outside, you could also think of it as 2 times your length and then 2 times your width, right? Then it says replace L with 1.62x and W with x, right? Because this is technically the width and this is technically the length. So where I have the L here, I'm going to put 1.62, and where I have the W, I'm going to put x. And then I'm going to simplify. So you do 2 times 1.62x to get 3.24x plus 2x, right? Or when you add those two together, you get 5.24x. So the parameter would be 5.2x, where x is a measure of the width. So you can find this entire perimeter just by knowing what the width is. All right, concluding thoughts, make sure that you line up your expressions, add the like terms, simplify, and then remember your positive and negative addition rules. All right, I hope you learned how to add linear expressions. Thank you for watching.